You crazy mother.
Hey, what's going on, guys? We are back at the peninsula, and I don't know if you can hear that wind, but it is extra windy today. So I was thinking about throwing that jig, but in order to throw that, I'd have to go up to about a 3/8 quarter ounce. And you know what? I may do that still, but right now we're gonna go out here and see if we can get the drop on them. So got that drop shot minnow, got it tied down with a 1/8 ounce pencil lead. I'm gonna go over here to where it's real choppy at, man, and see if we can catch some of these hallies right out here on the sandbar. Y'all stay tuned, man. See if we can get on some piece. Yeah, I wasn't playing, man. Look at that. Look at the rocks right there. Man, it is choppy and windy. I don't know where all this wind came from. It wasn't this windy when I got off work, but we're gonna check it out anyway. Like I say, I think this should be enough weight to get us out there even with the wind and get us kind of close to the bottom. I got that weight probably about 10 inches from the minnow and the hook. We'll see what happens. Trying to find a spot that's just got a little less seaweed in it. All right, we're gonna go from right here. Oh man, I didn't go anywhere. That didn't go far at all. All right. Gotta try this again. Where should I? I like this little piece of water right here. You see how it's kind of light right here and it gets darker on at the end? Well, the darker part is where it's deeper, but where it's light right there is kind of where that sandbar is, and that's usually where those halibuts like to hang out. We'll give it another try. I'm gonna give it a better effort on this one. All right, much better. You know what, that looks pretty good. We might get a fish out there. Oh, and we got one, guys. We hooked up on it just like that. Oh, we got one just like that. Right on that little sandbar. Look. Drop shot got on him. Now, he's a little guy, but it's okay. We're in the right spot, and then wherever he's at, there's some bigger ones out there that we know. Almost instantly, you gotta watch out for these guys. They got some crazy teeth on them, man, and you will get cut. Hold on one second. I got the pliers in my pocket. Yeah, a little Hallie, first thing. Wow. Yeah, we just switched up. You know that 1/8 ounce jig head. It's just way too light. Look, they're so bitey. It's just way too light, I think, to be trying to jig right now. So we're throwing out the drop shot in the windy conditions, trying to get down to the bottom, get down to depth. I don't think the jig would do it, but you see what happened. You gotta adapt and overcome. All right, man. We fish until times get better. Peace out, buddy. Oh man, I'm getting wet, guys. I am getting wet. I'm gonna have to move from here. That tide is in, and the wind ain't helping us though at all. Oh, get soaked. It's all right. We got clothes in the car. All right, let's get back on it. Oh, okay, that's a better shot right there. I like that. Let's see if we can get something a little bigger up in here. And you know, we didn't have to go real far. We didn't have to go far out to get that last one. Not far at all. Oh, seaweed, seaweed. Oh, we got it. We got out. We got out. We got out. All right. Let's give it another chunk. There we go. There we go. Shoes are soaked, man. Shoes and socks are soaked. But I got some more shoes and some more socks. Oh, my man over there, look, bringing in the hallies over there. Got him. There it is. All right, we just moved a little bit. I'm on the back side of this jetty right now. We're gonna see what happens right here. See what we got cracking. Back on the front side, just a little further down. Let's check on this bait real quick. Kind of off center right there. Get him lined back up. There we go. Boom. Now that looks good. A little chewed up, but it's all right. Seaweed. I can definitely catch seaweed, that's for sure. I'm a seaweed killer. Straight out the front. There we go. It's a better cast. y'all. Oh, we might have got one. We might have got on one, guys. I think it is. Get some head shakes. Yep. Yep, we did. We did. Number two. Number two. Right in there close. Number two for the evening. He wasn't out far at all. Hit right at the last second. Pretty fish. All right. Not illegal. Yeah, hit right at the very end. See if we can do one more. Maybe we can get 3 for the video. Who knows? Well, all right, y'all. That's gonna do it, man. We got down. We got on with that with the single drop shot on the minnow. But in the meantime, in between time, man, listen. Give a rest in peace out to Malcolm Jamal Warner. And that brother will be missed. I grew up with that cat. You know, I know we all did. But, you know, he's in a better place. But prayers and condolences go out to his friends and family. And he will be missed. You guys take care of yourselves. Get out there and get in the water as soon as you can. And fish kill times get better.